What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Today is a red recap. I finished down $24,929. No, I don't want to lose that. But I can easily make it back. Y'all seen it before. 24,000 is a lot of money, but I can make that back in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Like I said last week when I made back my last $20,000 loss. But same exact way how I lost the first time when I lost 20 grand. So it's an easy fix now. Basically trading off of 2 months ago or a month and a half ago when the markets was hot, you pretty much, can do what you want. As far as, getting in with sides. It was a lot of volatility, really no manipulations, easy, smooth trades, no bullshit. But now the markets are slow, a lot of bullshit, a lot of manipulation, and after today, gotta make adjustments. I can't trade based off of what was going on 2 months ago or a month ago. Everything was working, but now it's a lot of manipulation, it's a lot of grinding, and that's the only way I got caught. So the easy fix for that is to just not trade after 10:30. After 10:30, the algos come on. Market makers just start doing shit. The stock just start grinding, and pretty much it's nothing but short covers and manipulation, man. Nobody wasn't buying this stock until it came all the way up here. So because normally a stock that crashes like this, it will make a bounce and then it will pretty much fade. That's what I was banking on. This is one of my strategies. I was up $11,000, as I can see right here. I shorted it at 840. Then I added more at 820. Then I added more. And then I added more. Nailed it on this $8 bounce right here. Covered to the flush, and I was up $11,000. So what I was doing was, I figured this stock, I was thinking like it would fade down to the low sixes and I would cover and be done with the stock. But it held up at 650. And I was getting in. It spiked up, I added. Thinking it, after this squeeze right here, it was gonna fade. It didn't do it, kept holding. When people say they are short and they are caught short, it's the price action of the stock. It moves in a way that you think it's gonna fade, but it doesn't. It just keeps holding up, and that's what got me. I got caught short. I got caught short on Pixie. It was grinding. The best way to stay out of these grinds is to not trade past 10:30. And as y'all can see, 10:30 is right here. If I was out of this stock at 10:30, I would finished up $11,000. It would be a green day today. But I kept trading. I was trading into all this grinding shit. As y'all can see, the stock doesn't want to go up. As y'all can see, like flash crash down here, flash crash. It comes up, flash crash. It kept flash crashing, like it was gonna fade off, and that's what got me. It made this bit run up. Nice run up, and then crash. I'm thinking it's gonna fade off. It comes back, then I'm thinking this is it, and then I'm thinking this is it, and then it just kept going, and then I ended up, getting caught. So my lines were sitting up here, and that was my last resort. It passed it, so I had to get out. So overall, that was a good cover, because the stock went all the way up to 1062. But all of this could have been avoided if I would just stopped at 10:30. I would have been up $11,000. Just like Pixie, I would have finished green on that stock. The only reason why I'm red is because I'm holding through this grind shit. So it's like I said, it's an easy fix. Until the markets get back very hot, I'm not trading past 10:30. I may come back around 2 o'clock, but all this crap right here in the middle, I'm done with it. Like, I'm done with that. Because that's the only reason why I'm losing. So that's like 46 grand I could have saved if I would never just got caught in these grinds. because this was a green day. I was gonna be done trading, but I thought this stock had more downside, and it kept grinding. So it's a terrible stock. Like, it never holds its gains. If you look at the history of this stock, it never holds its gains. It never holds its gains. It loves to fade. It's been running up 3 days straight, so I'm thinking this is like the red day. Another mistake, I had too much size too. I did have too much size. I had like 20,000 shares holding it. So that was a mistake there. But like I said, all of that could have been avoided if I would just been done at 10:30, because that's when they start grinding the damn stock. So that's the new strategy for now on until things get back right. Because this could have been avoided if I would just stop trading and avoided these grinds. And then GNW I got the top, down to the top, and covered into the drop. That's pretty much it. It went down farther than that. Made $1,600 on that. But that's a good thing when you notice what's wrong. When you don't know what's going on and you're losing, you got to know why. I know why, so it's easy fix. Just stop at 10:30 and I'm gonna be good. So that's what I'm gonna do next month. Hopefully things pick up next month. But that's number one rule, because that's the only thing that gets me, them grinds. So I gotta stop them grinds. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope all y'all bank today. And I'm still having that $50 giveaway. So all you have to do is like, comment what you did today or whatever, and subscribe to my channel to enter the $50 giveaway that I will be drawing Friday live. And y'all know how I do with that. So just do that and you enter. And that's it for this video. Hope y'all bank. Peace.